Some daily necessities are obvious. Others are easy to forget, but you still use them all the time. In the kitchen, the bathroom, and around the house. Today, we are going to discover more everyday items you might not notice, but always use. What is this? This is a toothbrush. We brush our teeth with a toothbrush. This is toothpaste. We put toothpaste on the toothbrush and we use it to brush our teeth. We put the toothpaste on the toothbrush and then we brush our teeth. This is soap. We wash our hands with soap. We use soap and water to wash our hands. This is shampoo. We use shampoo in the shower. We wash our hair with shampoo in the shower. What is this? This is a towel. A towel. We use a towel after washing our hands. We also use a towel after we finish showering. What are these? This is a cutting board and this is a knife. We use a cutting board and a knife in the kitchen. We put fruits or vegetables on the cutting board and we use our knife to cut our fruits and vegetables. We cut our fruits and vegetables using the cutting board and the knife. What is this? This is a cup. We can drink water and juice from a cup. This is a water bottle. A water bottle. We can take a water bottle to school. We can also take a water bottle to work. What is this? This is a food container. When we are full after eating, we put our food in a food container. We put our leftover food in a food container. Now, where do we put the container with our food? We put the container in our refrigerator. We put the container in our fridge to keep our food nice and cold. These are trash bags. trash bags. We put all our trash inside the trash bag. And we put the trash bag inside the trash can. When the trash can is full, we take the trash can outside our house. If you don't have a trash can inside the house, that's okay. We also take the trash bags outside the house. What daily necessities do you use every day? And which item do you use the most? See you soon! Bye!